Yo, 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 yo! Welcome back to K London. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? The DIY queen is back in town. Yes, she is. And it's my first. Do you know, it's so funny. I just saw someone with a ring bell and I was like, oh, we got one too. It's my first vlog, official vlog of 2023, and I thought the first one should be of me being the DIY queen that I am. So I'm on my way to home base to go and buy a drill because I've never actually had my own drill, which is a crime since I'm a DIY queen. And I've got to put up the mirror that we've been hoping to have in the hallway for the longest time, and I've had it now for the longest time. It came at the start of November, I think, and because I haven't had a drill, I haven't been able to put it up. So I'm eager to have a full body mirror when I leave the house, so I'm going to get the drill. My father gave me some drill bits, but I still need to have a whole kit, obviously, so let's go and get Kayisha a drill. You know, it's always hard to choose these things. I think that is one of the ones that I did choose because it's 70. Black & Decker, I'm surprised it's 45, to be honest. But then, has it got the bits? Whereas this will have the bits. I don't know. To make more money, they make you buy these things separately, you know. What's that one?
The hammer.
I don't think we want a hammer one.
The hammer drill.
It looks cute though. Don't you think it looks cute?
Yeah. And this is the cordless one. It's not much difference, mate.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Why is stuff like this never simple? Oh, I think someone's here. You guys, so someone came to help and I think I have to get this, yeah, which is £90. And then there's no drill bits of it. So it's a good job my dad gave me some.
So then what's the power?
But it comes with the case. But we need to see if the case has space for the bits.
Oh, well, on that one is not far from that.
37 and 40.
Why don't you just get the £45 one?
Which one?
That one. The £45 one. Because it still goes through brick, it's just not as fast as that.
But then it hasn't got a case.
You can put it back in the box.
Yeah, so what he said is that the first one, you can use it for putting up furniture. But clearly, I don't need help with that. It's more so putting up things on the wall and that kind of stuff. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was getting hot in there. Oh my goodness. But look at the trail in the sky. I follow someone from Orlando who has another Instagram page about chemtrails, because they seem to be doing that a lot in Florida and a lot of places all over America, and basically it's not good for your health. No, airplane's different to chemtrails. Right, so you know me, I'm an independent woman, and if you're an independent woman, put your hands up in the air and leave a comment in the in the comment section, because independent women stand up because you don't depend on anyone. Clearly you get things done, right? And then you have the satisfaction of saying I did it. Now I bought this mirror, I ordered it, right, from IKEA the second to last week of November. It got delivered on the 23rd of November, and today's the 22nd of January. Yeah, and I'm only just putting it up. But obviously you saw that I bought my drill, so I'm all excited about doing it, because it's going on this wall. So before we leave the house, we can look at ourselves. So let me show you my drill. And look at what I noticed. My long time tape measure, matches my drill box. It's so tiny. Let me put the battery in and start getting my stuff ready. So I charged the battery as soon as I got home with it, because I'm like, it's gonna take ages. So let me make sure it's charged. There you go. DIY Diva is back and she's armed. Okay, so let me open this and find the instructions. What was I gonna say? There's no instructions. Look at instructions. And here's the things to put on the wall, I guess. Hey, I'm so excited about this. You would never believe this. I'm like literally scratching my head, yeah, because they haven't given any screws. How could you not give any screws? What is going on? I've pulled everything out and that's all that's there. This is absolutely ridiculous. It's a good job I've actually got some leftover screws from other things that I can use. I just need to get the right thickness for the head of it. But how ridiculous. So I found two different screws, but I'm going to use this one because the head is thicker and it will hook onto the back of the mirror properly. But I'm disgusted with this. I didn't buy it so that I could find my own screws. This is ridiculous. But anyway, let's get started. So what I'm thinking is that it needs to come to about here. So I'm gonna use my trusty tape measure. Oh, trusty tape measure. Let me make it stiff so it doesn't cut off my finger. Look at these silly instructions, man. Let me measure the mirror and make sure I put the dots in the right places. Because I didn't give screws and I want to make sure it's it fits properly. I've got a wall plug, and I just put the first one in. The next one, you then screw the screw into there, and it stays safe in the wall, because I don't understand how they could miss something so important. I'm really annoyed with them. It's a good job I keep things, and I've got experience. Otherwise the mirror would still be in a packet for another however long, because I would have to go and find the best pot. Ridiculous. Look at the mess that came out of the wall. That's how far I had to drill, so you know it's gone deep into the brick because it's red. So this is the moment of truth. This is what we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna put a flashback in here so you guys know why I'm laughing. Look, this is what we need, because I can see myself. And look at that. Look at that. That's not bad. Me likey, me likey.
Self-assemble.
I need to see this at my front door so I can see what they look like before I leave the house.
Self-assemble, love.
You guys, I took it down and I can't put it back up. Oh wait, it's only this.
That's not straight, love. Yeah, mash up IKEA people, them sitting.
So is that a key? Look.
I know what you're talking about. I've seen it.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's like they got 3 floors, that thing, it's a 3-story thing that they have. The other smaller one is got rounded edges and all that.
I did it. So I need to tidy up all of my mess. All of my mess. And all of the mess. Are you ready to see the finished product? Ooh, you ready? You ready? I did it, you guys. I did it. It's so hard to put up, it's not even a joke. You literally have to align both of the things, and it just doesn't want to. Like, I even put my finger behind there and whatever to line it up, and it's not the easiest member to put up, but it looks fantastic. And now we can see our outfit of the day before we leave the house. Okay, now let's get serious. After all that I did, right, to get it up, it is covered in my fingerprints. So guess what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use the Sparks Bright Glasses Cleaner by Sparks Sunglasses to clean it. Here's a little bottle, 30 milliliter glass bottle. And then you use a microfiber cloth, okay? And fingerprints are gone. That's how good it is. Honestly, it cleans not only your glasses but your phone, your laptop, your tablet, your oven top. If you've got a ceramic oven top, you can use to clean that after you've fried, because it will break down the grease. Use it for your mirror, use it for your car window. I hired a car in, was it August for bank holiday, and there was no water in the windscreen wiper thing, so I used my glasses cleaner to spray the window and clean it. So it's all purpose, okay? And it's available on the Sparks Sunglasses website. Alright everyone, so that's it. Job done. Job done. And that was my first vlog of 2023. So hopefully I taught you that you can do things yourself and feel accomplished, feel like you achieved something, and try new things this year. Like I said on January 1st, my thing for this year is new. So I'm looking for all the new and amazing things that God is going to bring and introduce into my life. And hopefully you try something new this year and learn new things. You're never too old to learn something new, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you're a DIY diva, a DIY queen, or a DIY dude. See what I did there? And make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and have a good day wherever you are. From Kay London.